Top 5 Best Digital Vacuum Pressure Switch 2025. Hi guys! Are you looking for the best digital vacuum pressure switch? If you received a new digital vacuum pressure switch, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best digital vacuum pressure switch on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews, and orders. Number 1. The factory outlet pressure switch is a digital display pressure gauge designed for precise monitoring of vacuum and pneumatic systems. Its RS485 technology ensures reliable readings, making it ideal for controlling and managing system pressures in various industrial applications. The MS30 model offers a user-friendly digital display for real-time monitoring. Made in mainland China, it is free from harmful chemicals, offering safe and efficient operation. It enhances system performance and reliability, making it perfect for industries requiring strict pressure control and monitoring. Number 2. The LAIZE Pneumatic Digital Display Pressure Switch, model ISE30A, is a digital device for monitoring positive, negative, and mixed pressures in pneumatic systems. It provides real-time readings, ensuring accurate pressure control. Ideal for source treatment units, it operates in a wide temperature range and is free from harmful chemicals. Made in mainland China, it is known for its high precision and durability, making it essential for industries requiring reliable pressure monitoring and control. Number 3. The Posiitve IRV Negative Pressure Vacuum Regulator is a high-performance device for precise negative pressure regulation in pneumatic and vacuum systems. It features straight/elbow fittings and a pressure gauge for accurate monitoring. Ideal for source treatment units, it offers smooth operation and consistent pressure control. Made in mainland China, it ensures durability and efficient performance in tough environments, making it an essential tool for industries requiring precise vacuum and pressure management. Number 4. The MS31 Digital Display Pressure Switch is a high-precision electronic pressure gauge for accurate vacuum and pressure monitoring. It features NPN/PNP voltage and 1-5V/4-20 mA current output, ensuring reliable and real-time pressure measurements in various industrial applications. Ideal for source treatment units, it offers both analog output and a digital display, allowing flexible integration into existing systems. Made in mainland China, it provides consistent performance and safety, making it perfect for industries requiring accurate pressure control. Number 5. The MRY MS39 Digital Display Pressure Switch is a high-precision vacuum pressure switch that can measure pressures as low as 0.001 kPa. It features a clear display with a dial diameter of 2 to 3.9 inches and operates with a maximum voltage of 24 V and current of 100 mA. CE certified, it is ideal for precise pressure monitoring in source treatment units and other critical applications. Manufactured in mainland China, it combines high accuracy with durable construction, making it ideal for industries requiring precise pressure control and digital communication. Thanks for watching the video.